In this video we're going to show you how to properly clean your Uggs to keep them looking their best. Uggs are a popular footwear choice because of their comfort and style, but they require careful maintenance to stay in good condition. Let's jump into the steps you need to follow to clean your Uggs effectively. Uggs are made from sheepskin, which is quite delicate and can easily accumulate dirt, stains, and unpleasant odors, especially with regular wear during colder months. Proper cleaning and maintenance not only keep your Uggs looking great but also extend their lifespan. Before you start, make sure you have the right cleaning tools. You'll need a soft-bristled suede brush, a suede eraser, cold water, a clean sponge or soft cloth, and Ugg-approved cleaner or a mild detergent solution. Additionally, have a water and stain repellent spray that's suitable for suede. Begin by gently brushing the surface of your boots with a suede brush to remove loose soil and dirt. Always brush in the direction of the fibers, not against, to avoid damaging the suede's delicate surface. For localized stains, use the suede eraser. Gently rub the eraser on the stained area to lift away marks. For more stubborn stains, dampen a clean sponge with cold water, apply a small amount of Ugg cleaner or mild detergent, and gently blot the stain. It's important to avoid soaking the boots, as this can lead to damage. If your boots are extensively soiled and need a comprehensive clean, lightly dampen the entire surface using a sponge dipped in cold water. Apply a small quantity of cleaner to the sponge and clean the boots with gentle circular motions. Clean evenly to avoid watermarks. After washing, stuff your Uggs with paper towels or old newspapers to help them retain their shape as they dry. Allow the boots to dry naturally in a cool, shaded place away from direct heat or sunlight, which can degrade the material and cause shrinking or cracking. Once completely dry, take the suede brush and lightly fluff the outside of the boots to restore the nap of the suede. To finish, spray them evenly with a suede-specific water and stain repellent to help protect against future stains and damage from water. That's it! You now know how to clean your Uggs thoroughly and keep them looking fantastic for years to come. Regular care and attention will ensure that your Uggs are always ready for the winter season. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.